How to fix Action Center not visible or showing on taskbar in Windows 10. Here's some information that would help you resolve Action Center not visible or showing issue on taskbar in your Windows 10 PC. 1. Make sure that Action Center is toggled on. 2. Press Windows and A. 3. Turn off transparency effects. Disable two options, Start, Taskbar, and Action Center and title bars and window borders. 4. Try rebooting your computer. 5. Restart Windows Explorer. 6. Run the following command in PowerShell as admin: getops package %adapts package disable development mode register $__install location /ops manifest.xml verbose 7. Run sfc and dism as admin, sfc/scano dism/online/cleanup image/check health dism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health 8. Backup existing registry setting. Go to hkey_current_user /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows /. Create a dword, 32-bit, value, name it as Explorer. Create new one and name it as Disable Notification Center, the value as 0. Go to hkey_local_. /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /immersive shell. Create a new dword, 32-bit, value, name it as Use Action Center Experience, set the value as 0. Reboot your PC. 9. Create a new user account. 10. Restore your system.